everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ogomwadi. Thank you for joining me today. So you know how most of us love pizza and yet we want to be on a low carb diet? Well, today I'm going to show you a supplement. One of the supplements anyway I use for the pizza. I'm going to be using this beautiful plant called Eggplant. I'm sure very many of us know it. So I'm going to be using this to substitute for the flour for the pizza. So for this I'm going to be needing, this is our beef sausage. I have my cheddar cheese, olive oil, I have some olives, black pepper, some onions, some red crushed pepper, and of course the marinara sauce, the tomato pizza sauce, some Parmesan cheese, some oregano, and salt, and of course a rack and my oven. So anyway, first of all I'm gonna be chopping off the head of the eggplant and the bottom to give me a nice level I'm gonna be needing. So you're gonna cut it half an inch each. So I'm going to be placing it on this rack while I add salt to it. And my salt, just going to sprinkle salt all over it. The reason I'm sprinkling the salt is to reduce bitterness and water, because eggplant has a lot of water in it. So the salt is going to help with that. So this salt is going to stay on the eggplant for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we begin the cooking. So let's give it 30 minutes. So now, I'm going to add in my pizza sauce. This is just tomato and basil mixed together. So now I put my beef sausage. You can use pepperoni if you like. I'm just using this beef sausage. You could add pineapple also if you like, or you skip it. Just put this right here. Okay, now time for some red crushed pepper. Optional, guys. If you don't like spice, please skip it. And then I'm gonna put in my cheese. I have mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar. I was able to find mozzarella cheese. I'm adding butter. I like cheese in my pizza. So now I'm adding my Parmesan. There's a lot of cheese. This is like 3 different kinds of cheese. Skip any one you want to skip, but for me, I like using all this. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Okay. My olive, I'm just gonna put on probably 1 olive and some of them, not all of them. Not everybody likes olive. And here we go. So now we're gonna go into the oven, 425 degrees oven, already preheated. So we're gonna be making this pizza for 30 minutes. But when it's 15 minutes gone, I'm gonna bring it out and flip it over so the other side can also brown a little bit. 10 minutes gone. You can see it's very dark. I'm just gonna flip over the other side so it can also brown like the other one. This is gonna be here for another 15 minutes, and that's okay. Now it's 30 minutes. I turn off the oven and the pizza is ready. Yummy pizza, guys. Look at that. Healthy, yummy pizza. Wow. It is blazing hot. I don't know if I should. I am not gonna give this a try. Okay. Our pizza is ready. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Eggplant pizza. Mini bites. You will enjoy this. Your kids will enjoy it. So, guys, thank you for cooking with me in my kitchen today. It's Ogongwadi once again. If you're on a keto diet or a low carb diet, this is the pizza for you. You're not missing out on pizza. So thank you so much. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button. Leave me a comment. I'd like to hear from you. Thank you from Ogongwadi. Bye-bye.